Huzur, in chapter 60 verse 14, Allah says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la tatawallaw qawman qadiba Allahu alayhim qad ya'isu min al-akhirati kama ya'isa al-kuffaru min ashab al-qubur.
Surah Abdurrahman Sahib's question is in relation to this verse of the Quran, which is in Surah Mumtahina, which is chapter number 60 and verse number 14 is here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tatawallaw qawman ghazaba Allahu alayhim qad ya'isu min al-akhirati kama ya'isa al-kuffaru min ashabil qubur. Translation is, O ye who believe, make not friends of a people with whom Allah is wroth. They have indeed despaired of the hereafter, just as have the disbelievers despaired of those who are in the graves.
So my question is, if Qawman Ghadib Allah is related to the Jews, they believe in Akhirah. So why it is said in this verse, قَدْ يَئِسُ مِنَ الْآخِرَةِ كَمَا يَئِسَ الْكُفَّارُ?
This verse does not apply to the Jews. This verse applies to the atheists, to the non-believers, who do not have any faith in resurrection. So the word ghazab should not mislead you to apply it to the Jews.